Good morning, students. In our previous module, we read about the Constitution, that how we made our Constitution and by using which resources. Now, let us see these are the members of Constituent Assembly in India. What is Constituent Assembly? The drafting of document called the Constitution was done by an assembly of elected representative, which is known as Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly debates. Which are these debates? The drafting committee chaired by B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ambedkar, prepared a draft constitution for discussion. Several rounds of through discussion took place on the draft discussion. More than 2,000 amendments were considered. The members deliberated for 114 days, spread over 3 years. Every document presented and every word spoken in Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. These are called Constituent Assembly debates. The Constitution of India was framed by a Constituent Assembly set up under Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Assembly consisted of 389 members representing provinces 292, states 93, the Chief Commissioner provinces 3 and Balochistan 1. The Assembly held its first meeting on December 6, 1946, and it elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as its chairman. The Constituent Assembly was also divided into Constituent Assembly of India and Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly that wrote Indian Constitution had 299 members. The Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950. By that time, we started to celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. These are some members of Constituent Assembly in India. Why should we accept the Constituent made by the Constituent Assembly more than 69 years ago? Many countries of the world have had to rewrite their constitution afresh because the basic rules were not accepted by all the major social groups or political parties. In some other countries, the constitution exists as a mere piece of paper. No one actually follows it. The experience of our constitution, Indian constitution, is different. No large social group or political party has ever questioned the legitimacy of the constitution itself. This is an unusual achievement for any constitution. The Constituent Assembly represented the people of India. It was elected mainly by the members of existing provincial legislatures. This ensured a fair geographical share of members from all the regions of the country. The Assembly represented members from different languages, groups, castes, classes, religions, and occupations also. The Constituent Assembly worked in a systematic manner, in an open and consensual manner. First, some basic principles were decided and agreed upon. Then, drafting committee chaired by Bhimrao Ambedkar prepared a draft constitution for discussion. Several rounds of through discussion took place on the draft constitution, clause by clause, and more than 2,000 amendments were considered. Every document presented and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. These are called Constituent Assembly debates. When printed, these debates were 12 bulky volumes. These debates provide the rationale behind every provision of the Constitution. These are used to interpret the meaning of the Constitution. This is the Constitution of India. Thank you. Next